Hi guys, this is Silva here again. I'm back again with another money milking strategy. Alright, this is a very wonderful strategy, a very good and powerful strategy. Okay, you can use this strategy to grow your $10 account, your $20 account, your $30 account. Okay, you can use it to grow your small account. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna do. Alright, first thing, I'm going to share with you the setting, and then after that I'm going to be sharing with you how the strategy work. Okay, so what I want you to do is that you should stick to the video. Make sure you don't skip any part of this video, because there are going to be some important messages that you don't want to miss. Okay, now with that out of the way, if you are just coming across my channel, here is what I want you to do. Okay, make sure you hit that like button, give the video a like, and if you haven't yet subscribed, please make sure you do that, because here on my channel I share powerful strategy like this from time to time. Okay, alright, with that being said, I'm going to just go ahead and share with you the setting for this strategy. Now the first thing you have to do is to click on this icon here, this one. Alright, so after clicking on that, you can see the first indicator here is the Ichimoku. Now this is the Ichimoku. You click on it. Now these are the parameters. Alright, so what I want you to do now is to either take a screenshot of it, or you can take a pen and then jot it down somewhere. Alright, so that you can later copy it. Alright, so this is everything you need concerning this setting. Right, so make sure you just do as I said, either you screenshot or you jot it down somewhere. So after doing that, you click on save. Now the next indicator here is the MACD. Right, so you are going to search for the MACD and then add it up. Now after clicking on the MACD, right, you are going to have a different setting from this one. Alright, so what I want you to do is that you are going to change it to what you are seeing here. Alright, so you can see the fast EMA here is 12, the slow EMA is 26, the MACD SMA is 1, and the apply to, you can see, is close. Now under the style, you can see the main is 2 pixel, the color is green, and the signal is 2 pixel, the color is red. Now the level doesn't matter, and then the time frame, you can set it to all. Right, let it show on all time frame. Right, now after that, you click on save. Right, your MACD will be added, and then you are going to see this indicator window will show. Right, so now what I want you to do is that before you add any other indicator, you have to click on this indicator, on this F icon here. Alright, before you add the relative strength index. Alright, so after clicking on the F icon, you have to search for the relative strength index. So after searching for that, you click on it. You have to change your setting to this one here on the screen. Right, so as you can see here, the period is 1, the apply to is close. Under the style, we have 1 pixel, and then the color, you have to change it to the color of your background. I'm using a white background, so I choose white. So I choose a white color. Now the levels, you have to change it to 85 and 15. You can see here 85 and 15, and then the pixel, you change it to 2, and you make the color black. Right, if you are using a white background, but if you are using a black background, you can change it to any other color you want. Right, so after that, you go back and then you click on save. Now after doing everything I said correctly, you are going to have a screen like this. Alright, now that is all for the setting. Now how does this strategy work? It's very simple. It's a very simple strategy, but it's powerful. Right, now what you are to do here is to, first of all, you are going to allow spikes to occur. So whenever there is a spike in the market and you see on the indicator window that now the MACD is now touching the 85 level, right? That is your first confirmation. Okay. Now the second confirmation is that you are going to wait patiently for price to start reversing, right? So whenever it starts reversing and it crosses below the black Ichimoku line, so immediately you see that crossing and that particular candle close below the mark the Ichimoku line, you are to take 4 candles, right? You are to take 4 candles and then you are out of the market, right? This is a scalping strategy, right? So there is no need for you to be greedy. So after taking your 4 candles, you close and then you wait for the next opportunity. There are a lot of opportunities in this market, all right, with this strategy. So all you have to do is to follow the condition I've given and you are going to be safe, all right, and you are going to make a lot of money using this particular strategy. Okay, now you can see this is another example. Now you see that your MACD is touching the 85 line and then on the main chart that crossing happened and then your 4 candle is yours, right? So I will show you guys an example on crash, right? This strategy works on boom 1000 and crash 1000, right? So you can see here on crash, you can see it touches and then when that crossing happen, you take your 4 candles, you are out. Okay, so you can see here on crash you do the opposite, right? On boom we are selling, then on crash we are going to be buying, right? So this is how simple the strategy is. For your zoom level, you have to zoom out completely, okay? Then you zoom in twice. You zoom in twice, 1 and 2. Okay, this is the zoom level and you are good to go. So guys, this is pretty much everything concerning this strategy. Okay, now there's one last thing I need to lay out. Whenever you are using this strategy, make sure you are in line with the trend. Okay, so as you can see from the 15-minute time frame, we are currently in an uptrend on crash 1000. Okay, so make sure you are in an uptrend like this, and when analyzing from the 15-minute time frame, you make sure that all the candlestick, right, price is going to be above the black moving average, the black Ichimoku moving average. Okay, so once you see that price is above it, just know that you are safe, right? You are safe to apply the strategy on the 1-minute time frame. All right, so as it is now, if there is another spike and you see that this line is now touching the 15 level here, all you need to wait for is that crossing to happen here and then you take your 4 candles and then you are out, right? You bag that money and you are out, right? So this is how wonderful the strategy is. Okay, so with that being said, if you are new to my channel, I want you to subscribe, hit the like button, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that whenever I drop a powerful strategy like this, you get notified immediately. Okay, because here on my channel I go out there, search for profitable strategy I know that will make money over time, and then I come here and share with you guys. Okay, so if that's what will interest you, if that is what you like to be getting from time to time, then I think you should subscribe and join the family. Okay, the money making family. All right, so I think I'll be drawing the curtain here, so I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Silver out.